Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today let me introduce you the ZOSI Z-O-S-I-C 186 4K 8 megapixel Aurora Lux Wi-Fi camera with an wheeling true full color night vision. It's compatible to 2.4 and 5 GHz dual band Wi-Fi, AI person, and vehicle detection. Aperture of 1.0, a super aperture means. A 1.5 inches super sensor and two-way audio. Two-way talk. Aurora Lux color night vision. Equipped with a large aperture of 1.5 inches image sensor and a robust ISP module. The ZOSI C186 Wi-Fi security camera excels in low light conditions. Aurora Lux technology enables the camera to capture stunning visual events in low light environments, transforming night into day with exceptional brightness and true to live color accuracy. That's right, we have 4K 8 megapixel Wi-Fi cam. The experience unparalleled clarity with the ZOSI 4K 8 megapixel Wi-Fi security camera ensures a sharp, vivid image both day and night. The AI-powered image signal processor, this is the ISP, fine-tunes every pixel in the real time, thus bringing out an intersect details and rich colors for a truly lifelike visual experience. And optimize our network connectivity with dual-band Wi-Fi. The 2.4 GHz band extends coverage to distance areas, making it perfect for broad reach, while the 5 GHz band offers a faster speed for data-intensive tasks. Together, these bands ensures a stable, versatile, and uninterrupted connectivity, tailored to meet all our network needs. And AI detection and Syrian light alert. We enhance our security with the ZOSI AI-powered detection system. The intelligent features accurately identify people and vehicles, minimize false alerts from insert or debris. Upon detecting motion, the system automatically triggers sound and spotlight alert, while sending instant email and push notifications to our mobile device. This proactive approach effectively safeguards our property. And remote access and two-way audio. We stay connected with the property from anywhere using the free ZOSI Smart mobile app. Access live footage, playback and record videos with ease. The built-in speakers and a microphone provide smooth two-way audio communication. This allows us to interact with visitors directly through the app. And it looks really cool because we have here a product by ZOSI. ZOSI, founded in 2012. This is a top-tier company specializing in security camera solutions, serving millions of customers in over 60 countries. They offer a comprehensive after-sales support worldwide, with integrated operations in the product design, the R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service. ZOSI ensures a round-the-clock all encompassing production for us customers wherever they may be, all over the world. 4K Aurora Lux C86A Wi-Fi camera, a new era of true color night vision. And that's right, this is the best true color night vision I've ever seen before. We have 4K Ultra HD closer to reality than ever. Dual band Wi-Fi connectivity, true to live color, shines in ultra low light areas, lighted siren alerts, double deterrence against intruders, and device makes an AI job, smart person vehicle alerts, and full metal housing for extended lifespan. It turns night into day, daytime-like visual, even without extra lighting. The aperture of 1 super aperture captures 4 times more light, and the advanced AI ISP for intelligent image perfection. This is Aurora Lux. Let's have a look in real time. This is what the camera can show us, and this is the real life. You see, it's really dark there. But the ZOZ makes it day shining bright. Really cool. Traditional infrared night vision, that is the next step here. The traditional infrared night vision is bad beyond against this here. These Aurora logs makes a really cool job. And we have, of course, 4K. That's more pixels. That's more details. Pro level super aperture. It captures more, 4 times more light than aperture of 2 for stunning low light clarity. And of course, advanced artificial intelligence, ISP, intelligent image perfection, refining details and colors for vivid clarity. We have 40 billion operations per second, 256 megabyte large memory. This brings us 4 teraflop in that camera system. Powerful NPU, elevating clarity, color accuracy, and detail to the next level in this price range. Aurora Logs makes a really cool job to stay unnoticed with no extra lighting, which is needed. They monitor discreetly and capture key details like vehicle types and facial features without disturbing our surroundings. Superior connectivity with dual Wi-Fi band. Benefit from dual band, it comes better, of course. We have a touch through all weather because it's IP66 waterproof, built to withstand the outdoor elements with an IP66 waterproof rating and durable metal housing, ensuring uninterrupted protection. It can go up to minus 20 degrees Celsius. These are minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit. And up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. This is 55 degrees Celsius. This is a big range of work. Smart detection, person and vehicles. Easy live view, and we can share it by using the app with our family and friends, for example. We have flexible storage ways. We have a cloud service, and we can go up to 256 GB of micro SD card. DIY alerts for key areas are possible. We can customize zones and voice alerts for instant alerts to unauthorized access. All on our property. And hands-free voice control. We can work with Alexa. That means if there's an Alexa device, you can get it there by using your voice. Real-time conversation from afar. Two-way audio allows us to hear and talk to everyone approaching our property. And intruder deterrent means warning light and a siren. We create a strong defense against intruders before they get inside. And of course, why we should choose ZOZ? Over 25 million users worldwide, trusted by millions of families. And they are selling over 146 countries and regions. 50,000 5-star reviews worldwide. 19 years of innovation. Privacy-first strategy. Professional after-sales support. And a lot of more. A lot of more brings us that system here. This is the ZOZ or the ZOZ or the ZOSI C80 18.6 4K 8 megapixel Aurora Logs Wi-Fi camera system. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Satan!